how to enable or disable limit delivery operating hours on Ecwid easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to enable it or disable it. First open your browser and then once you're here click shipping and pickup, and here we'll find the shipping, delivery and pickup settings, and here just select any delivery you want, like this one, and now scroll down, scroll until you find limit delivery operating hours, and then you can enable it or disable it, and that's it. And here you can manage it. And now click save, and that's it. And I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.